One of the damages to a laptop is a total dead, where there are no signs of life on the laptop. No single indicator lights are on, and the power button also does not respond at all when pressed. The cause of this damage a lot, but here we will share the two most common causes of the total death of the laptop. 1. The laptop is totally off or total dead because the SMD capacitor is shorted. Small capacitors with a typical brown color is indeed a lot on the motherboard. Even the most components compared with other components on the motherboard. All voltage levels are equipped with these capacitors. So if there is one that is shorted on the main power line, will cause the laptop to shut down completely because all the SMD capacitors are mounted on a positive track on one of its legs, and the other legs is always on the ground part. 2. The laptop is totally dead because the Mosfet is shorted. The Mosfet, as a switching component on the motherboard of the laptop, is used as a switch and also a major component of the voltage drop system of the main voltage source, which averages at 19 volt, is lowered as needed. For example, 3 volt. There are two main Mosfets there, as well as at 5 volt voltage derived directly from 19 volt. Even on the supply voltage to the processor, or often known as VCC core, there are 4 pieces of the Mosfets whose function is also lowering the voltage working with a controller IC. For example, the Mosfet on the VCC core line. If the Mosfet is shorted, it causes the total death of the laptop. Since the VCC core line has very little resistance, if any voltage coming into this line will show a very high current exceeding the current from the voltage source of the laptop or charger. So the main line 19 volt will offer current or excess current, resulting in voltage loss, and the laptop cannot be turned on. Here are two causes of a total dead laptop that often happens. In addition to other causes are very diverse.